I am Ami Kapadia from MNED classes, and this video is for insertion operation on linked list. Okay, so in my previous video I have discussed all the basics and types of the linked list. So if you are very new to linked list, just go to that video and then come here, because this is insertion operation on linked list. For this you have to know some basics of linked list. Okay, so first you just have a look here. As you know, linked list is having nodes, and nodes are having two parts. One is data part and another is link part, right? So these are three nodes in linked list. All are having two parts. Okay, we are giving memory address that is not sequential, so you cannot predict it like this is 50, so this will be 100. No, you cannot predict it. It can be 140, something like that, and here it can be 70 or anything. This is random numbers coming in my mind. Okay, so we are adding data. Here data is 10, here data will be 20, and here data will be 30, scanned by the user. Okay, now linked list, we are having link here from first to second node and from second to third node. Yeah, right. So for that we have to give here 140 address, means address of second node 140, then here address of last node, that is 70, and what will be here is null value, because this is the last, we don't have any node after this last node, so it will be null here. NULL, you have to write capital NULL, null, for this null link. Okay, so this is our linked list. Now insertion comes in picture. You have three types of insertion in linked list. One is at the last, means you are adding one more node in the linked list like this. This is one type of insertion. So this is one node. Okay, second type is insert in between like this. This is second type. And third type is insert at first like this. You are inserting first node. So insertion is of three types on linked list: insert at last, insert at middle, and insert at first. We are going first for insert at last. Okay, so insert at last. Okay, our new node is having suppose 80 location, memory location. So if you are inserting at last, what you have to do is first scan the value which you have to insert. Suppose user is adding 40. Okay, so it will be in data part. And what about the link part? First you have to add null in this new node which we are adding. So you have to add null portion, null link here. And what about this null? You have to remove this null from here, and what will be here is the link of the last node which you are adding, that is 80. Right, so this is logical structure of adding at last. So first you have done the scanning portion, means you have scanned the value from the user which you have to input, then that is 40. You have put this 40 in the data portion of the node, then you have added the null part at the link portion, and what you have changed is the link part of previously last node, means you have to manage here pointer. This is first and this is last, so you will manage these two pointers all the time. So previously this last was null here, so you are adding the new node. So now the last is, this node is not last, the last is the very last node that we have just added. So you have to change this link also, means you are giving this node as a last node. Okay, so this was the insert at last. Then insert at middle. So for inserting at middle you have to give position plus number, means you have to ask for user that where you want to insert the position of your new node. So if user is adding 3 as a position, then you will add the node here in between this. 20 and 30. Okay, then ask for data from the user. Suppose user is adding 25. So 25 will be the add data portion of new node. Okay, and what about this link? And what about this link? We have to change this link as well as this link. Okay, so for that you have to manage extra 2 pointers, that is previous and current. You have to place previous pointer here, pre, I am just writing pre, previous, and current pointer here, I am writing C for current. Okay, then you have to write the address of current node here in the new node, that is 70. So this link is broken now. Rub this link. You are giving 70 here, so there is one new link is generated from this link to 70, and here instead of 70 what you have to write is the address of our new node. Suppose this new node is located somewhere at 120, then what will be here is 120, address of the new node, and link will be here. Okay, so in this we have managed 2 extra pointers, that is previous and current. Okay, and what we have changed is the address in the new node, that means address of the next node, and address of the previous node means it will have address of new node. Okay, so this was the insert at middle. And what about insert at first? First of all, you have to scan the value from the user, that what he or she wants to insert. Suppose user is adding 5, so 5 will be at the data portion of the node. And what about this link? What it will have? Can anyone guess? Yeah, that is the link of the first node, because now we are making it as a first node, so we have to give link 50 of the first node. So this link will be like this. Yeah, and there is no other change in any other node, because we are just adding first node, so we have to just add a link at the first node, that we will give the link of the very first node. And one more thing, the first pointer will not point here now, it will point on the new node we have just recently added, F. Okay, so this was the basic insertion on the linked list. We can insert at last. In that we have to give null at the new node, and we have to give the address of new node in the last node. Then insert at middle. So in insert at middle we have to manage 2 more pointers, previous and current pointer, and we have to give address of current pointer in our new node and address of new node in the previous node. Okay, and insert at first. For that we have to give the address of first node in the new node and nothing else. Just point this first pointer at new node. So this was the insertion on the linked list. I hope you enjoyed the video and you get the better understanding on insertion, and I will post new videos for insertion in coding nextly. Okay, bye, take care, have a nice day.